The last few symbols I want to cover in this Python regular expression discovery is those in curly braces. N, comma, M. This means that the previous character can be n times, minimum n times, and maximum m times. This one means that the previous character is repeated exactly n times. This one with n and comma means that the previous character must be repeated at least the minimum n times. And the last one is the previous character repeated at most maximum n times. Let's try to utilize those. In my text, I have phone numbers, and there are three ways of putting phone numbers here. There are fake phone numbers. One is separated with a dash or hyphen. The one is separated with a space, and the third one is not separated at all. It's just a string of numbers indicating it is a phone. Let's just pretend that. So if I want to match, let's go for the first one. So the first one could actually be used with those n times. So the first series is three characters, 3 digits. Then there's this hyphen or dash. Then there's 3 numbers and dash and 4 numbers. So how would I go for, let's go for curly braces here. The numbers are basically \d. That stands for digits. And digits repeated how many times? If I go just for digits, maybe 1 or more, if I went for that, the result is going to look like this. It puts all the numbers like that. But I want to have them as a phone number with exactly like here, line, or like here, or like here. So I can go for this. So these are the digits repeated 1 or more times. Instead of that, I'm going to remove that plus, and the previous character will be repeated. First one is 3 times. So that is going to only extract the 3 numbers out of each line. Let's see that happen. Save my file, clear, and run again. So that matches on the 3 numbers only. Let's go for the first one. Let's have those dashes there. So there's the 3 numbers followed by this hyphen character. Then there's another 3 digits, exactly 3, followed by another hyphen, and followed by 4 digits. So if I'm not mistaken, so that's 3 digits, dash, 3 digits, dash, and 4 digits. Let's see if that works. Let's clear the screen here. And it works. It matches on this one. However, I want to extract from that text not just the first number. I want to extract the remaining 2 as well. So this one is pretty much the same, except for the dash or hyphen. I have a space here. So I could create, since I already know a few things about regular expressions, I could create a class with square brackets. And that leaves me the single character, either this hyphen, or I can do space. So this group now will be 3 digits, how many? 3, followed by either dash or space. So if I do that, I can repeat that here, also create a class, single character followed by the 3 digits, either hyphen or space. And that, when saved, let's see how this works. It matched on both now. So I added the flexibility, so what is the separator between those numbers is either hyphen or space, and that's what the class is doing here. However, I missed the last one, which has no separator at all. It's just a string of digits. So I can make this class an option. If I say this class, the previous character in this context, it's a class, either hyphen or space is an option, 0 or more, or 1, sorry, 0 or 1. I'll add the same question mark here, 0 or 1. So the previous class is either dash or space or none. Let's see how that works. Let's clear the screen and run the code. And there we go. So with these pretty much symbols and meta characters, I can try to develop a simple maybe project and just play around more with those.